I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new around here and you haven't come across my channel before, my name is Lesleyanne. Today's video is part of my new little mini series where I'm cooking frugally and also cooking things that my grandmother would have made. So like when I was a child, when my mother was a child. So a lot of food would have been in short supply at that particular time. So my nan would cook things like liver and bacon, which is what I'm cooking today. She also would have cooked pig's hearts and many other things. But to see what else I'm going to be cooking, then subscribe to my channel and then take a look. I'm going to be doing this once a week. As I say, it's just a little mini series. Excuse the noise, that's my dogs. Feed time, and one's getting a little bit possessive. When I announced I was doing this little series, I did say I was going to put my own little tweaks on it because of course the things that were available back then to my nan are a little bit different now, the things that we can get a hold of now. But I'm still trying to stick to the main part of the meal. But I'm doing mine today with broccoli because I have some and I need to use it, and I've also got some spinach in the fridge which I need to use. So I will be wilting the spinach because as I said, I just need to use it and I'm not about wasting food. But I will be putting my liver, well, not mine, the one in the packet. I will be putting it on a plate of seasoned flour just to give it a dusting. I'm going to be cooking with streaky bacon, and I'm going to be doing fried onions as well, and then of course the gravy. And the liver that I'm using is lamb's liver. My nan probably would have used pig's liver or ox liver. So I'll show you how I'm going to make it. Right, so I've got everything here. I've got my potatoes on because they are going to take longer than the liver. The liver won't take long to cook at all. So I have got here the flour that's already been seasoned and the pack of liver here, and I'm just going to put the liver into the flour. Now, I think this is something you either love or you hate. If you're a similar age to me, I'm 63 nearly. Chris is nearly 71, and it was a staple part of our diet back then when we were kids. And I guess we just didn't really know any different, whether we liked it or not. It was a case of, well, you eat or you don't have anything else. But yeah, I actually enjoy it far more as an adult than I did as a child. It's something that my family, like the kids, didn't like. So it was something I didn't really cook an awful lot at home. Right, so I'm giving it all a dust. I've got quite a bit here actually, as you can see. Right, so I'm going to put my pan on to heat up now, and I've got a combination of oil and butter in here. My nan would have used lard. And I'm going to get my onions on as well, so everything is actually on. Liver, all dusted. And it's the streaky bacon, which is what my nan would have used. And I'm going to get the liver in, because I do like it to sit and rest for a little bit afterwards. So the first piece is going in. You can cut this up if you want to, make it smaller. Put it into strips, say, if you've got children, they might prefer that. But I'm cooking an old-fashioned rustic liver and onions. So once it's in the pan, I will leave it. You don't want to go mixing it, turning it over. It's a bit like when you cook steak. You really just want it to sit there and to cook without being disturbed. I'm just leaving it there to do its thing. Give my onions a little stir. Let me move that kettle out of the way because that's stopping you from seeing. That's a bit better, isn't it? Hey? Turn those down a bit. I just want these to caramelise and become lovely and sweet. Right, I'm going to give this liver a turn and see what it looks like there in the pan. So it's been sat there for a while. So I'm now just going to literally turn it over. You still want your liver to be soft and tender. You don't want it to be coarse. So that's what you're looking for. I'll show you in a minute. I'll just bring the pan over so that you can see. So that's that's what you're looking for, that colour. And I need to do that on the other side now. Right, now I'm going to take the liver out and put it onto a plate. And then I'm going to keep it warm, literally by just popping some tin foil over the plate. Look at that, looks lovely, doesn't it? Right, I'm going to put my bacon in. Just going to put a splatter guard on top because it does actually stick quite a lot, the fact that it's streaky bacon. As I've already said, it's not going to be always the healthiest of meals. Where I can choose a healthy option, I will. But, you know, some of it, if I'm trying to cook it traditionally or as traditional as I can, it's not always about the best healthy way of cooking it. Because, of course, back then it was just about letting your kids go to bed with full bellies, you know, and to feed your husbands and obviously to feed yourself. And it was fuel, all about putting fuel in because of the amount of fuel that we burned back in the day. So my bacon's done. I'm just going to rest on top of the onions whilst I make the gravy. And the gravy's going to be made in the pan, get some seriously good flavour. So in some water. I'm just scraping everything off the bottom of the pan. Bringing it up to the boil. My nan, she would have used either Bisto or it just would have been gravy browning with some corn flour. I'm going to be using Bisto. And the gravy's done.
The mash is done.
The mash is done. Everything's done. I just need to start dishing up and quickly wilt down some of the spinach. Now it's time to dish up. Mashed potato. There we are. And now the broccoli's going on. And then on with the liver. Is then going on the top. This is a very hearty meal, as you can see. Onions I'm just going to pop onto the side. And then when the gravy goes on top of it, that will wilt it even more.
Looks like a volcano. Volcano of loveliness.
There we have it. So it's all dished up. So this one here is Chris's, this one is mine, and I cannot wait to get stuck into this. So that brings me to the end of this video, the way that I've cooked my nan's liver and bacon for an evening meal. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on this series of the things that I'm doing. Next time I am doing a traditional school dinner, jam sponge with coconut on the top with a homemade custard. So look out for that one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here